Once upon a time, a young boy named Babaka was playing at the foot of a large mountain. "Help me! Help me!" he heard. So he followed the sound until he discovered a small python struggling inside a hunter's net. "Oh, help me! Help me! Please!" Babaka thought. People didn't help pythons, and pythons didn't help people. But finally, he worked up his courage and set the python free. "Oh, thank you. I promise to repay you. If you ever need me, just sing my song. Nyangara chena nyangara, nyangara chena nyangara." The years passed, and Babaka was made chief of his village. He was wise and brave, and everyone respected him, which is why they became very concerned when, one day, he fell terribly ill. "The only one who can save me now is Nyangara." "Nyangara the python?" "Yes, I rescued him once as a boy, and he swore to return the favor. Go, lure him out of his cave at the top of the mountain by singing his song. Then bring him to me." "Nyangara has grown very big and very strong, hasn't he?" "Nonsense! The men will go get him, won't we, men?" "Oh, yes, of course we will. To the mountain! To the mountain! And so the men climbed up the mountain, singing Nyangara's song. "Nyangara chena nyangara, nyangara chena nyangara, nyangara chena nyangara, nyangara chena nyangara." Well, as usual, it's up to the women. After all, mothers can do what fathers cannot. And so the women climbed up the mountain, singing Nyangara's song. "Nyangara chena nyangara, nyangara chena nyangara." "I think we, the children, must go and bring Nyangara to you." "Are you sure?" "Yes. You were so brave when you were our age. We know we can be the same." And so the children climbed up the mountain, singing Nyangara's song. "Nyangara, nyangara chena nyangara, 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 nyangara chena nyangara." Hello, my friend. I'm here to help you. Thank you, Nyangara. And thank you, children. Yes, you are very brave. Now, can you bring the snake back up the mountain? Please. Please. And so, from then on, the children held a place of high honor in their village, just like their chief, Babaka. Oh, can't we keep him? No,